Good afternoon to all respected principal sir, vice principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. At first, let me wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today on 15th of August, we all have gathered here to celebrate the Independence Day. So today is a great honor for me to talk about our independence. So Independence Day is the national festival of India celebrated on the 15th of August every year. So India became a free country on this day. So this day India is celebrating the 74th Independence Day. So as we all know that on 15 August 1947 we got independence from the British rule, and now after the independence India has been the largest democratic country in the world. And also we should celebrate this day with a great spirit, and we should remember our great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Motilal Nehru and others. So our freedom fighters made us proud to be an Indian, and a peaceful life that we are living today is only just because of their sacrifice. And let's all work together to make our country the best country in the world. Thank you and have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.